National Weather Summary. Sunday, December 14th, 2025. Today's nationwide weather pattern is dominated by a deep polar trough aloft and reinforcing Arctic surface high pressure pushing far south into the plains and southeast, while a persistent Pacific moisture conveyor and embedded lows continue to affect the northwest. These large-scale mechanisms are driving aviation impacts ranging from snow and icing risk in the northeast and Great Lakes to flooding and low-ceiling rain in the Pacific coast, with widespread cold air constraints through the central and eastern United States. Across the North Pacific coast and Pacific Northwest, a stalled moisture plume continues to generate steady rain with ongoing flooding concerns in western Washington and northwest Oregon. Persistent low ceilings, reduced visibilities, and wet runways are the primary operational issues today. Winds aloft remain moderately strong, supporting low-level mechanical turbulence and occasional mountain wave effects inland. Seattle, Portland, and surrounding airspace remain impacted by prolonged MVFR to IFR conditions through much of the day. In the northern Rockies and Intermountain West, wraparound moisture and cold temperatures are supporting mountain snow and valley MVFR at times. Terrain obscuration, icing and cloud layers, and gusty ridgetop winds remain concerns, especially along north-south routes. A strong Arctic air mass has surged through the northern plains, Midwest, and Ohio Valley. Wind chills remain well below zero, creating significant ground handling and deicing challenges. Lake effect snow bands continue downwind of the Great Lakes, producing highly localized but intense IFR conditions with rapid visibility drops and snow-covered runways near the Lake Erie and Lake Ontario corridors. Across the Midwest, bitter cold dominates with intermittent lake effect impacts near Chicago, Detroit, and Cleveland. Snowband placement remains variable, increasing tactical uncertainty for arrivals and departures. Ramp icing, hydraulic limitations, and increased deicing demand are the primary constraints. The Northeast and Mid-Atlantic experienced a quick-moving snow event early today. Snow is tapering, but lingering MVFR ceilings, blowing snow, and gusty northwest winds continue to affect operations. Surface conditions remain cold, and residual runway contamination is possible at inland and coastal fields. Across the Deep South, Gulf Coast, and Florida, dry high pressure has settled in behind the front. VFR dominates, but temperatures are well below normal. Gusty northerly winds and cold-soaked aircraft conditions may slow ground operations, particularly during early morning and evening hours. The Southeast and Tennessee Valley remain quiet from a precipitation standpoint, but strong cold advection continues. Expect clear skies, good visibilities, and cold, dense air affecting performance calculations.